Okay guys, in this video I'll share you some of my opinion, the reviews for the three social network. This is the Oobenn, Sngine and Wowonder. So in the previous video I already talked about this topic already, but actually at this time this is the update since they are all updated. So now let's check out what's new in the latest version of the three. So for now we have right here, this is the latest version of the Wowonder. This is the latest version of the Wowonder. Okay, so in the Wowonder, we have right here, we have the live streaming function, right, and all the features that are already introduced, or even you can discover it, you can discover by your own. But I advise you, if you are doing business, don't get the known version. Okay, it's really unsafe. Okay, and the Sngine, right, right here, Sngine is right here. So the difference between Sngine and Wowonder is a really huge difference. That is the price. So you need to consider a lot about the cost, since Sngine you just pay a half price, but actually Sngine has a really big issues. So they got a weakness, that is lacking of native app. So we need a native app. Of course Wowonder is not really perfect, but it is still the best in a marketplace at this time. So I mean a marketplace is right here on a Code Canyon. I don't really mean that you guys can compare it to on the rest of the social networks also. So right here we have the live streaming function here, right, but Sngine is still lacking of the streaming function. So this is a small tiny needed improvement from the Sngine author. So this is the difference. And another different thing is, when you buy this film, no, when you buy the script, you need to pay more for the apps. There are three apps that you need to pay. So you need to pay, I think that nearly 300 or so. So it's really quite expensive, right? But with this one, you get just a half price of the PHP script. Then you can get the PHP and the applications. But actually the application is just the mobile views version only, so you need to consider a lot. First, if you are a student, or you just do this business for fun, or with your families, your relatives, your friends, your colleagues or so, then you just get the Sngine for cheaper. But if you are really serious in developing the social networking business and so, then you get a Wowonder. Get a Wowonder, then you have to get other three apps that cost a lot when you don't really know how much you can earn later on. So this one is only for good income. When you have a good budget, get it, it's okay. But I advise for you guys, if you are a student, or you are studying on this one, or just have a fun, as I told before, just get an Sngine. About the layout of this one, the design. So the design of Sngine is, as I told before, it's not really okay to me. I'm lazy to login every time I need to create, but actually you can create and experience it. As in the previous videos, you guys already see how the layout look like, or you can have your self experience right here. But like I don't like the design of the Sngine, but they have a lot of improvement. So at this moment, Sngine is much better than ever. And about the feature, Sngine is quite okay. It's just compared to the Wowonder, it's just almost the same. So even you get this one or the Wowonder. I mean the Wowonder is right here. I show my side why, since it's the Wowonder platform. So it's just the same. If you have more website user, then this one is okay. But if you get more traffic from the mobile phones, then I advise you guys should get a Wowonder. Since I already tried this one, application is not really nice. Like it's just the way like when you surf the website on the phone browser, so I feel a bit annoyed. But at this time I feel really great about this one. Like we can totally compare with the Wowonder, and I could say it almost the same. For sure it's almost the same, just the difference, the really huge difference at this time is the native applications. So just consider which one is the best way for you. Consider about your budget, about your users, where the traffic come from, and so on. Actually with the native apps is costly, but you could earn from AdMob also. So this one, you get the apps, the native apps right here. I will show you guys. Native Wowonder. What? Wowonder. Okay. So with the native apps right here, okay, this is the price of just only one app. It's for one application. Is for native template of the Android and iOS. So this is AdMob included. So you have a better choice and better chance to get the passive income, but actually you need more traffic. So now you need to ensure that in the future how you can attract users. So final words, Sngine and Wowonder are just the same, almost the same. Okay, and the reason why I left Oobenn to the final of the video, since I'll show you the reason why. Oobenn is also good, but why Oobenn don't really get many buyers is Sngine and Wowonder. It's really easy to understand. In the past, Oobenn is really slow, but right now Oobenn is quite good. I'm really lazy to register and log in again, but okay, I really, oh, it's really right here. So it's much faster than ever, and Oobenn is totally different from Sngine and Wowonder. It's just almost target to seller and buyers. This one is for the marketplace, so you need to consider if your network is for marketplace or so. This one is really perfect for marketplace network. And you can see right here we have the marketplace. This guy developed is really nice, and he tried to avoid something not really copycat. Actually he learned from Instagram, but some other features are really special and specific for his site that he didn't copy from Instagram. So right here we have the seller name, and we have the quick message right here. We just click to the message, and it's sent to the seller, right? It's just that. It's really perfect, right? And we have the viewer number, the viewer counts right here. But a needed improvement for this is when we click outside, this one should be disappear. Instead of when I click right here, then I have to scroll up. So if the author fix this, it should be alright and great. Okay, close it. And then we move to something that I really like it until now. Before, this one is really slow. For now, it's quite okay. He built the live streaming function. That's great. And this one, okay, I like the feature of this side. This is for the comparison, for voting, for whatever. Just compare it of the two right here. It's good. You can see the slow loading right here. It is due to my current connection. It's not the reason from this side. Since yesterday I already solved this side, is totally fine. And you can see right here the reaction. I like the reaction of this one, and even the function of donate to this post right here, and the comparison of before and after feature. What else? We have a really great one here. This one, when we scroll to the videos, it plays and it pause when we just scroll over to another one. So don't really care about the videos, why it just show off and display. Okay, it played now. Just due to my connection. So you can see right here, play, pause. This one play, pause, plays, pause. Okay, remember the position right here. Play, pause, play. Okay, it's really good. And you see the weather forecast is nice. Okay, so this one is really suitable for a marketplace network. This one is good with specific and special features. So he built really special functions. So this one is great, but it's really limited for users. I mean that when as a buyers, I will look at this one and I will think, what could I do with this network? I like this one, but actually I'm not a seller. I don't have any product, or I don't have any plan to have a good promotional program, or something else to develop this one. So I think that this one is good still. It's just I don't know what I say, but actually this one is good, but it's still limit for users. This one is picky, but it's good. It's perfect. And now Wowonder and Sngine is a messy social network that copy a lot from Facebook, but they are good, still reliable, and good features. They have good functions, right? They have good functions. Okay, so in the latest improvement, I feel that the three social networks right here, they are all good. They are all good, right? The order is good for a specific marketplace or specific purpose something, but the functions right here is really great. If you could check out, open function is more special than the others, like this one or this one. When we build, we make it really better. Okay, but a little bit thing that the security and privacy. The author should build more, set more privacy. Something like manage the sessions or two-factor authentication right here. This function is just to build what the really good feeling for users. Or when I use this one, I use this network, I feel really safe. I can control, I can manage my login times. If there is anyone try to steal my account, try to enter my account, whatever. So this way will improve this network. And this one of the strong point of this network is the effect. You can see he used really smart effect. So the most thing of this site, I feel like user experience. When I use this one, I feel satisfied. Then he gets success in the user experience. I could say that it's not totally 100%, it's really perfect, but it's quite good. It's totally good. Yeah, especially that he just makes something quite different from others on the Code Canyon, right? So this one just the same, they're the same. Okay, so this is just a quick look for the three social network like I compared before, and this time is the update for you guys, and you can consider if you could choose for Wowonder, Sngine or Oobenn, which is the right one for you guys. Okay, have a great time, enjoy.